What's going on, everybody? So we got a Land Rover. This is for Discovery Sport. It's a Land Rover key fob. We're going to go ahead and switch out the battery. So we got a 2032 battery, and I'm going to show you how to get this apart and replace it. So right here in the corner you have a little arrow. Anyways, we're going to get this chrome piece off and we're going to slide up. Slides up, and then you should be able to just take it off like that. So it slides on a little track, comes off. So the arrow is on the key ring side. So we're going to take that off, and then we're going to slide out our key. Set that aside. Now you can use the key, but I'm going to use a little pocket screwdriver. You can take the key and pry it in here, but if this plastic is a little stiff, this key might break, so I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to set that off to the side. What I'm going to do is we're going to go down on this corner, and I'm just going to get in here. I'm going to get underneath this plastic tab. Sometimes it's a little tricky, and other times it goes nice and smooth. Just going to pry up on that so it kind of pops a little bit. Then we're going to go and take our little screwdriver and just work our way around. Now that it's separated, we can just remove the remaining pieces. We can pop our battery out. Just going to use this, slide it. Try not to brush the circuit board too much. Take our battery out, set that one aside, take our new one, and put it into place. Then we're going to take our cover, and this little slot goes up on the key ring side here. Just going to take this, press it all back together. We'll take our key, slide this back into place, take our cover. Now remember, the little arrow was on the key ring side. Might have to adjust this key just a little bit for everything to slide down into place. Okay, so now it's there. I'm going to slide it back. That's how you do it. Now you should be good to go. Buttons should all work. If you like this video and it helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.